What's happened in the last 2 years is fascinating because it accelerated the adoption of digital commerce and fundamentally changed the way consumers behave. Demand changed everything, so all of a sudden consumers during the pandemic wanted that shoe or that TV or that table. They wanted it now.
If you look at what happened in the last 2 years with ocean shipping, it's just unprecedented. The amount of volume, the congestion, we've never seen anything like that before.
So many things can go wrong within global supply chain management, and so many things do go wrong. We have seen a lot of disruption in global supply chain over the past couple of years, and that has been in the headlines in news across the world, and that has been dinner table conversation. For us, it's a daily business.
APL Logistics has a blue chip reputation in the industry in being one of the preeminent third-party logistics companies in the world. Our order management network includes one of the largest consolidation networks in Asia as part of KWE. We have over 120 service locations across 60 countries.
APLL strives to be the premier order management provider in the world because we are anchored in the notion of neutrality. Our function for our customers is to act as a neutral party to oversee their carrier base, their manufacturing base, and many times their technology providers.
A customer will need to work with multiple partners and suppliers and service providers. They will need to, because as their business grows, there's too much risk putting that with one single provider. We give the customer the ability to work with whoever they want, and what we do for them is manage those providers and those partners, and we're effectively become an extension of the customer.
As an order management provider, we will create that big picture view for the customer so they don't have to establish that connectivity with every single link in their supply chain in order to see what's happening with their merchandise flow.
AP Logistics Order Management is a combination of order planning, process execution, and visibility analytics control. Within our order management solutions, we leverage data points that we use to make decisions on how to plan and how to execute product flows.
Part of our order planning platform involves the incorporation of predictive analytics and machine learning. Based on the data we have and the machine models we have, we know the success rate of the shipment before most likely the product's ever left the factory. And we want to be able to tell customers that and help them simulate what an order planning would look like so they can make decisions in a virtual environment before they have to execute.
Companies need to know where their products are at any given point of time. AP Logistics Order Management enable our customers real-time visibility across the order lifecycle.
Visibility has been the number one topic or pain point for most customers because all of a sudden everybody wanted to see where every single piece of product was in the world. Analytics became the next sort of layer of that, which means the ability to take that data, the visibility data, to show customers trends and patterns, what we think will happen based on probability.
Effectively, what we do with that data is we will manage the flow of the product because we have all the information that we need. We have the data, we have the visibility, we have the relationships with the carriers and with our partners.
The visibility, the analytics, turning it into insight, making it actionable.
One of the key targets of order management is to create more resilience within our customers' business. Resilience means that ultimately our customers know when their product will be available.
The key benefit for the customers and what we do as a solution provider to the customers is really to get the products to the consumer at the right time, at the right place, at the right cost.
Everything that we should be doing on our customers' behalf, we should be looking for ways to end up either improving their level of service to their end customer or making it much more economical for them so they improve their own profitability. The data enables us to do all of that and more.
We help our customers achieve their sustainability goals because that just plays into our overall order management strategy and our purpose at APL Logistics. Sustainability is intrinsic to that. It's interwoven into the decision making and the visibility platforms that we've built, aggregating that data in a way that's digestible and reportable because our customers need it in their sustainability report to share with stakeholders or shareholders.
Our order management differs from pure digital solutions because of the knowledge and know-how that we have around operating a physical supply chain.
There are a lot of digital players out there saying that they have the answers and can solve for everything just through providing a platform.
You need to do something with that information, and what customers rely on is the expertise.
You need the people that really understand what's happening in order to complement the technology.
In reality, for supply chain, Digitization is just one element of it. You still need people. You need great people who can manage and control and orchestrate that end-to-end supply chain. What we want to bring is the people, the technology, and the visibility of that end-to-end piece. And managing those big multinational consumers, we have the global scale to be able to do that.
APL Logistics has been working with some of the world's biggest brands for decades. These brands trust APL Logistics because we've been a proven partner to them, providing reliable service and being somebody they can trust.
Because at the end of the day, we deliver. We are the company that will absolutely not let our customers down. And we have the assets, the experience, and the footprint to deliver on and help solve some very complex and difficult problems.
So as APL Logistics and what we do as order management is really to enable our customers to make the best financial decisions for their enterprise.